Hi, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Dr. Bo Ellis. I was a physician that specialized in orthopedics, neurology, neurophysiology, a little pediatrics, and a lot of wellness. Now I focus 100% on wellness. Wellness Centers of America is my business. I provide wellness lifestyle vacations where people can receive wellness lifestyle trainings and services. If you would like to learn how to take care of yourself and your family in this dangerously toxic world we live in, check out my website, wellnesslifestyleresort.com, and email me about my future wellness lifestyle vacations. In my wellness lifestyle training program, you will learn the opposing paradigms between medicine and wellness. You will learn how to use God-given herbs, plants, and supplements to promote healing. You will learn how to use physical exercise and stretching to promote brain function. You will learn how to use relaxation, godly meditation, and brain power to achieve success and much, much more. Check out my website and email me today. I look forward to training you in the ways of wellness. God bless you and your family.